Do you ever feel overwhelmed trying to plan a crochet garment? This workbook takes out the guesswork and the math so you can get straight to stitching. By entering your stitch and row gauge, whether it's blocked or not, the workbook will calculate your gauge per inch or centimeter automatically. And when I say both, you have both. You have drop down boxes for your stitches and your repeats, as well as your unit of measurement. And you'll know exactly where to look for your information as long as you choose stitches or repeats. And then when you get to the body measurements, you got to put that in. Say you have your chest, your waist, and if you're not sure where to measure, I have a diagram. Regardless of your body size or shape, this is a guide because we're making simple garments. And then here is where we get to plan the pieces. Maybe you want a back, a front, and a sleeve. Put in each piece just like so, and then change the measurements just like so, and we'll say like this. Hopefully the sleeves will be the same, and this side is used for your stitches, or if you're doing repeats, because the math is a little different, but you don't have to worry about that because I did it for you. And the most exciting part is that you'll know exactly how much yarn you need to make your garment that's going to fit your body, and you're going to love it because it's the stitch that you want it in the fit that you want it.